Alright, hello everybody. Thank you for having me here today. So what we are going to do here, we'll be starting a long journey with the course of security. So for those who followed me on the previously course of the BGP, so now we are going to working with security network, and this is the first lab that we are going to implement the security network management. We have those routers here, and in each of them we are going to implement different configurations to understand how it is managed in the best way. Okay, let's moving forward with this configuration. Let me first of all open the terminal of all of them. That will be better to see. I will just post this lab here on this left side, and then opening the terminal. So first of all, I'm gonna open the router 2. Router 2, the terminal. So I will just put like this. So the first configuration that I'm gonna do here will be security remote access. Right, so I wanted that the router to receive the remote access, but in the right way, in the security way. Okay, so I wanted that the router 3 connected with router 2 through telnet and many others configurations that we are going to apply here. So, okay, let's moving forward on here. So I just opened the router 2 terminal. Let me open also the router 3. I will post that here. Yes, really good. So this looks good. Router 2. Router 3 is much big. Let me make them stay in the same. Okay, this looks good, but for now we are going to start working with a router 2. I will go ahead and see here. Okay, config terminal, and if we want to start implementing the connections, if we want to allow some other routers to come in of our router, we needed to use a VTI, right? But first let's use the let's see what is the router 3 IP address. Show IP interface brief. So I will use the loopback to connect with router 2, okay? So that will be this one here that I will use to connect over there. Let me go back to router 2, and here you use the access list. Access list 3. I use 3, and then permit. Permit 3.3.3. So that is the host. Alright, and then I will use the access list 3 deny. So it will be any log, any log. So just this, yes. Do show run section access list. Okay, that is the beginning of the configuration that we needed to use for allow that the other router come in. So we use the access list. What is the another thing that we need to do here is to use the line VTI 04. So we need to match. So for those who don't know what to do here, we have the beginning of the here. This is the match access class filter connections based on an IP access list. So this is the command that we use to match with the access list is the access class. Okay, let's make this and then for we do not forget about that, we just make this in the beginning. Access class 3 was the name that we gave it before, right? So here is the list 3, and then we are receiving. Okay, we want that it will come inside, right, from router 3, from the destination that is 3.3.3. Okay, so it will be in. Alright, really good, really good. So the next step that we are going to do is to set a password. Okay, but before, when they connect, I want that they connect in the executable mode. So let's see the options that I have here. So those are the password. Alright, so transport, define transport protocols. So because we are going to allow the router 3 to connect with router 2 by telnet, right, as we spoke before. So that is how we are going to allow this. So transport input telnet. So that's it. The next stuff that we are going to do will be set a password. Let me check here. Going back. Password. Set a password. Okay. Password. It will be. Let me see here. LayerNet. Yeah, simple this way. LayerNet. 1, 2, 3. Let's put numbers also. LayerNet 1, 2, 3. Just this. Yes, just this. Okay, really good. So as we want that this guy come in the executable mode, we must set the privilege also, because this is here, right? So let me go back here. yeah, privilege, change the privilege for line, level for line. So it means that if we, when we set the privilege, it means that um, so the router who is coming inside will have some kind of a commands to access, and we want that he must have the 15, the maximum level, so he will be able to do all the things. Privilege level. So here what is important to note is that the if I set 15, so the router 3 also will be able to have the commands of the level 14, 13, 10, 7, 4, all the others before. So let's going on. I believe that it's just this, so let me end it here. So show run section access list, show run section VTI. Alright, this is what we have here. Access class 3 in, privilege level 15, password layer net 123, no login. Let me just change this, okay? Config T, line VTI 04. Login. Show run section VTI. Yes, that's it. Access class 3 in, privilege 15, password layer net 123. Login the transport input telnet. Alright, so let me try now to go back on the router number 3 and try to log by telnet. Telnet, what is that? Word? No. 2.2.2. Alright, I believe that is this source interface. Let me copy and paste that. Copy. And then I will post. Source interface. Loopback 0. That is the loopback 0 is my 3.3.3, right? So what is the password? Layernet 123. Maybe I did something wrong. Layernet 123. Alright, we connected over there in executable mode, right? So really good, really good. So here it shows that we could connect through VTI, and this is the location of us, right? Really good. So let me exit. So now the next stuff that we are going to do will be security, remote access to router 4. We are going to work now with router 4, making the some configuration over there, and over there will not be the telnet. We are going to block telnet. We are going to only allow that by local local access, you know. So let me go there and open here. Okay, let me post this here. Really good. Like this. Alright. Let's just start this. Config T. So as we are going to block the telnet to other routers do not come in by telnet, we are going to use the SSJ to do not permit them to connect by telnet. So it will be line VTI 0.4. So we are going to say here what are the options that we have. I believe that this is the privilege, right? No, privilege is the number of the privileges that the other routers will have here. It will be the transport, probably, right? The transport is the command that we set for specifications that other routers will, how they will connect. Yeah, define here, transport. Again, the same thing that we did on the other routers, on the other, or in the router number 2, connected by the router 3. We are doing this in the router number 4, but we are not allowing this to be we are not allowing this to be telnet. Okay, transport what? Input. I think that you guys can hear the bird. That's so louder. Input SSJ. So it will be only be possible to access this by TCP/IP SSJ protocol. Right? Really good. So what the next that we need to do here? We block the telnet. So let's make the authentication connections that users with the local database, right? So the users will be possible to use that locally. Local. You're not alone, I'll guide you again. You remind me, Lord, of your endless grace. Your love is my where's that? And let me go back here. Login. Yeah. Enable password checking. Login. So let me say login local. So that will be the way that I will making the users connecting with in the local database. Login local. That's it. All right, let's add the password. And this password must be encrypted, right? This password must be encrypted. But first of all, let's use some other things here. I want to set in this router number 4. I want to set the local user and the password for him. Right? Let me. Okay, this is not here. This is not here. We must go back. Exit here. Let's exit the line VTI, and here we can have some other options. So we have so many options here, and we must be really carefully when we set these options. So what we want to do now is to set the user password, username, and the password to him. Let's give it to him the kind of authentication. Let me see, this is so long. I believe that this is in the U. Where is that? You're leading me to purpose. Your voice so clear and strong, guiding me with love, Lord, where I belong. I hear your call, Lord. It's ringing in my soul. All right. You're drawing me closer. Okay, username here. Establish username authentication. Let's give it to this router user authentication. Okay, username. So will be admin. So the next stuff that we are going to do will be secret. Let's use the secret for this guy. Secret. Secret password. Is that possible? Yeah, this is possible. Secret password. Layer net. I believe that let me go back here. If I use the secret, specify the secret for the user. Yes. Let's specify the secret. So I don't need to set a password here. I just can put the use the secret here. That will be layer net 1 2 3. That's it. So we already made what? We already made the authentication for the local database to users in the local database. We already set a local user with that was encrypted. We blocked the telnet, and now we are going to enable a password. It will be Let me check this again. Here, enable. Let's enable this password. So it will be enable. Password. You've proven there's no place too far. As I want that this password must be encrypted, I will just go to the secret. So assign the privilege level secret. Secret. Layer net 1, 2, 3. Really good. There's no place too far, no valley too deep, no mountain too high, no soul you won't keep. Your love is relentless, a light in the dark. Lord, you've proven there's no place too far. Now I want that the password must be at least of minimum 8 characters. So for that we need to go at the security. Just keep moving down. Go down, go down, go down. I believe that this is security for we set the parameter of the 8 characters minimum. Security redundance. Security here. Security. Secure image configuration archival commands. Let's try this. Security. Security authentication. Authentication. Security authentication. What is wrong here? Security authentication failure. Failure? Is that correct? No, it's not this. It's not this what I want. Security. Password. Password. That's it. Minimum length. What is wrong here? I wrote this wrong. Length. So I will put 8. That's it. So also what I want to do here is to set the kind of a when the shadows fall and fear takes hold, you light the path and make me bold. I want to set this at each 3 seconds unsuccessful authentication. it will log every 3 seconds. Let me check this again. So if the log was unsuccessful achieved, every 3 seconds it will not work, it will fail. So here, this is at the logging here, enable security logging checking, right? Logging. I want that it will be on failure because it's exactly where I want. Set options for failed logging attempts. So if the person tried to log and it failed, so that person will need to wait again for some period. Okay, so let's say that that person failed, and then you allow that person to try back again, 2 minutes or 3 minutes or 3 seconds, you know. But here will be 3 on failure log, generate syslogs on failure loggings. Yeah, so this is really important because it will come to me the failure logs, you know. So you if the person try to logging and it do not be successful, so it will be suspicious, you know, that IP address from where is coming from. Every here is periodicity for logs generated. Number defining periodicity. I will put 3. Okay, that's it. So that's really good. So run. I have here my security password, minimum 8 lengths, enable security. What else I have here in my configuration on this router? That I configured it before. I have username, security, and then as you can see here, it's not possible to see the password that I set to admin, right? It's not possible. It's really good, this, really safe. And now it's coming to show the interfaces. So the router that I have running here between all of them, EIGRP, okay, router SPF2 running here inside. What else I have running here? My VTI is coming, right? My VTI is here. Login locale, transport input, SSJ. That's it. we set the security for this network here, for this router. Alright, that's it for now. On the router number 5, we are going to establish there are some kind of security managements that are unnecessarily, and we are going to disable those configurations on the router 5 and set the configuration again, all over again. Right, let's do it. Router 5, let's open the terminal. Where is that? Here. I have two of this. Like, okay, router 5, where are you? The console terminal is here. So, okay, for disable some kind of securities that are unnecessarily running on the router. This is not under the configuration mode, but here under the executable mode, we just put the question mark here. So as you can see here, we have this auto. So that's where we are going to use it here, right? So auto security, and then security management planning. That's what we are going to use here. Management. Just this, nothing else. So when we do this, it will ask for we start all over again with the configuration mode. Is this router connected to internet? So in this case, no, I will put no. I suggest you put no to start all over again. So put the banner between key and key where is the any character, right? So I use select restricted access. So why is that just failed? What's happening here? Securing management plan services, disabling service finger, disabling service pad, disabling UDP, TCP small server. But where he just stopped it to running. What's going on here? I really don't know. Should we start again? Let me stop him. Really don't know why he just stuck there. I don't know why router 5 didn't start again. Let me post that here. Like this. Let's wait until he beginning. in the executable mode.
Your glory everywhere. We dance before your holy flame, lifting high your sacred name.
Okay, so let's start again with the configuration. Auto, security, management, right? Is this router connected to internet? No. Okay, let's try this. Restricted access, restricted access. Enter a new enable secret. So that will be layer net 1, 2, 3. Layer net 1, 2, 3. So layer net 1, 2, 3. Again to confirm. Layer net 1, 2, 3. Enter the username admin and then the password. So blocking period when logging attack detected. So this will be 15. Blocking period when logging attack detected 15. Maximum logging failures with the device, it will be 4. Maximum timing period for crossing the failure logging attempts, it will be 5. And the confirm SSJ server, no. So and then it will be configured. So let me show all of you how is that configured. Apply this configuration running, yes. So you just post enter or yes, it will be applied. Applying the config generated to running config. So let me show all of you how it was configured. No service finger, no service pad, no UDP small servers, TCP small servers, service password encrypted, TCP keep alive is out, no CDP run, no IP bot P server, no IP HTTP server, finger. There are so many services that don't need to be used here at this router. So thank you for watching, guys. That is it for today. So in the next video we are going to implement on router 1 security of AAA. That's what we are going to do, AAA configuration on router 1. That's it. See you all in the next video. Bye bye.